To cancel an appointment on high level, there's various ways you can do it. So say Kanya Pillai canceled this appointment. You open the contact and you go to the top right where it says appointment. Click on appointment. And on the edit box, you click on edit. And you go down to the appointment status and you change it from confirmed to cancelled. And you click on save. If you scroll down on the left hand side, you'll see this is moved to lost leads and it's gone into red. Okay, so I'm gonna close that contact, go into the pipeline, and we'll find Kanya Pillai on lost leads. You'd also get a task for this contact. So if you open Kanya Pillai now, the task will say that you need to delete this appointment from the appointment book. Okay, that's one of the tasks there. So why it tells you to do that is that what happens is when you go into calendars now, and I'm going to go to the York Road to the correct calendar, you'll see that Kanya Pillai is still on the diary. And now no one else can book out the slot, even though we've canceled the appointment. The appointment just changed color to red. So here you want to delete this appointment from here, because what's happening is the status is still showing as busy, and even though Kanya Pillai is not coming anymore, nobody else will be able to book the slot. So this is why you have to complete that task, and you've got to delete this appointment from the appointment book. Click OK. So all the red appointments that are cancelled, you need to delete it from the calendar so that that slot is now available for someone else to book. And that's what you do when you canceling an appointment. And remember to go back to that task and mark that task as complete.